Hello, everyone.
Hello, Teacher Pendo.
Welcome to this week's Hot Numbers section. Now, have you all been practicing what we learnt about last week?
Yes.
Ah, Marara, by the energy in your answer, I see you've been practicing. Now, can you please remind us what we learnt about, just in brief?
Well, last week we learned about we learned about lines and compasses.
Marara seems to be having a problem expressing himself. Now, would anyone help him out? Yes, Atyambo?
Last week we learned how to construct lines using a compass, and we also learned how to bisect lines.
Aha, very good. And can anyone remind us what it means to bisect a line? Yes, Kibiwat?
To bisect a line is to divide it into two equal parts by constructing a line through its center.
Exactly, thank you. Now, Mara, do you now remember what we learnt about?
Oh, yes, Teacher Pendo. But I did mention lines and compasses, so I was close.
Right. Well, now that we have jogged our memories, let us proceed with this week's lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to construct perpendicular and parallel lines.
Wow, using a compass?
Yes, Marara, using a compass. Now, a perpendicular line is one that crosses through another line at a 90-degree angle. Now, there are two ways that we can construct a perpendicular line. Now, the first method entails constructing a perpendicular through a point on the line. Now, I want all of us to draw a line on our paper. Now, it can be a line of any length. Now let's draw a line of any length. You just dropped your compass, okay?
Oh, thank you, Teacher Pendo.
You're welcome. Okay, now I already have an example of a line on the board. Now, next, I want us to mark a point on the line. Now, it can be anywhere along the line. So mark a point on the line. It can be anywhere, and you can name this point C, okay? Let's name it C, and then with the pointer of your compass on point C. So let's put the pointer of our compass on point C, and then draw two arcs on either side of the point. Draw two arcs on either side of the point C. And then we are going to call this point A and point B. Okay? Let's do this. Are we all there? And this is how it should look like. Okay? This is how it should look like. Now, from these 2 points, A and point B, we are going to draw arcs over the line. So we are going to draw arcs over this line. So let's do that. And make sure that the radius is not too small, as we want our arcs to intersect. So from your point A, draw an arc over. Make sure it's not too small. And then from point B, draw another arc. Okay, and then we are going to draw a line from this point of intersection. So this new point that we get, we draw a line all the way to point C. Okay? Draw your line. Very good. Now that is how to drop a perpendicular through a point on a line. Now if you take out your protractors, who can tell me what the angle the perpendicular line makes with line AB at point C is? Use your protractor. Yes, Korea?
90 degrees.
Very good. Now what else can we call a 90 degrees angle? Yes, Wairimo?
A right angle.
That's right.
Wow, Teacher Pendo, that was really easy.
That's good to know, Marara. Now, the second method of dropping a perpendicular is from a point away from the line. Now, draw another line on your pieces of paper. Draw another line. And once you have done this, mark a point over or under the line and ensure that mark is not on the line. Okay? So mark a point over or under the line. Let's do this. So draw your line and then mark a point over or under the line. And this is an example I did earlier. Okay, now we'll call that point point T. Okay, so using your compass and your compass on point T, draw two arcs on the line. So from point T, with your sharp point there on point T, draw an arc on both sides. And then label the points of intersection, point A and point B. Okay. Now next, from point A, draw an arc. From point A, draw an arc on the side of the line opposite point T. Okay? From point A, you draw an arc opposite point T. Okay? And then you do the same from point B. Now these arcs will intersect at point S. So we'll call this point S. And we then now draw a line joining point T to point S. And of course, the line crosses through line AB at point R. I can see we're all doing so well. And this is how it should look like. Okay, and then you can use your protractors to see that the angles are 90 degrees. Do you want to confirm? Just confirm whether they're 90 degrees, the angle is 90 degrees.
Oh, Teacher Pendo, they are.
Excellent work. Now, let's move on to constructing parallel lines. Now, parallel lines are two lines in the same plane that no matter how far they extend, do not intersect with each other. So we are going to use the same diagram that we just made using the second method. Now, from point T, we are going to construct another perpendicular line using the first method. Now, who can remember what that was?
Oh, Teacher Pendo.
Yes, Marara.
Now, we use a compass with a pointer on T to make 2 marks. Now, from these 2 marks, we make 2 arcs, which should intersect.
Very good. Now, let's do that now. So, from your point T, so it should look like this. So if we call the point where they intersect point Y and then connect our point T and point Y, we have a line. Now, what do you notice about line TY and line AB? TY and line AB.
Teacher Pendo, they are parallel.
That's right. Now, well done, everyone. Now, I want you all to practice constructing lines, bisectors, perpendicular lines, and parallel lines, as it takes some getting used to.